Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is approximately 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York on Monday, 14th day of July, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold broke its 3-day winning streak today following an announcement by President Trump on Saturday in which he threatened to impose a 30% tariff on imports from Mexico and the European Union beginning on August 1st. As of 5:40 Eastern Standard Time, gold futures are trading lower by $18.20. That is a net decline of 0.54%, taking the most active August contract to $3,352.10. Gold opened today at $3,376.50, traded to a high of $33.8930 and a low of $33.4850. The dollar rose today by 0.26%, taking the index to 98.114. Silver declined by 66.5 cents, taking the most active futures contract to $38.41. Gold continues to remain range-bound after climbing for 3 consecutive days on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of last week. Gold opened higher, however, it did close below the 20-day simple moving average, but was able to maintain its pricing above the 50-day simple moving average. Technical market traders use the simple moving average as a benchmark to determine whether or not a stock or commodity is in a short-term bullish or bearish trend, which means that even though gold did close lower on the day, the fact that it remained above the simple 50-day moving average signals that gold is still in a defined short-term bullish trend. Gold's resilience and ability to move back up above the 50-day moving average on Friday and remain there is squarely tied to the president's announcement of tariffs and the uncertainty that brings to economic stability. Gold is trading fractionally lower now that trading has resumed in Australia. However, traders are going to be anxiously awaiting tomorrow's CPI, Consumer Price Index, with current forecasts estimating a 2.6% rise over June's 2.4%. The uptick in the CPI is expected to rise based upon inflation ticking higher as the impact of tariffs begins to take hold. Higher inflation should provide bullish market sentiment, moving gold higher. If gold does find support at current pricing and begin to move higher, we would look at 3,400 as the next real level where gold could find strong technical resistance. Above that price point is $3,440. That is the closing price that occurred on Tuesday, the 6th day of May. And whether or not gold is able to find support at current levels and move higher will have everything to do with tomorrow's Consumer Price Index report. Because for months, investors have been bracing and looking for signs that these aggressive trade policies will slow economic growth by raising prices and contracting demand. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next evening report. Bye-bye.